Oh, wipe out. Come here. Come here.
You want to chase Chrissy? You want to chase her? Go get her. Go get her. Here comes the second one. She's bringing up the rear. And we got giggles. We got some giggles.
Come here, Circle.
It's like she's chasing Evelyn around the house.
It's like she's a wounded soldier trying to crawl her way home. You gonna stand up, Evie? You gonna stand up?
That sounded juicy.
Wow, look at her go, standing with the fridge, trying to. There's not really a grip there, Bug. Hi. Hi.
Oh my gosh, Evelyn, you're so strong you broke the fridge. Just kidding, that piece comes off all the time.
Hi, can you wave? Can you show everyone what you learned? High five.
Oh, does she high five now? I thought it was just Evelyn.
No, she does. High five. Good job. Good job, Bugaroo. Maybe Evelyn can show us how she high fives. EJ, high five. It's kind of hard to high five when you're crawling, huh?
She's like moving now. She's fast.
I like to move it, move it. I like to move it, move it. I like to move it. Adventurista.
Hi.
You gonna stand up? Charlotte Bug, I don't think you move very much. I think you're pretty much just going in circles. Yeah, you tell that paper who's boss. Okay, say bye.
Bye.
Bye bye. Say bye bye.